Hey guys, this is how to get my AI on Snapchat, so let's get into it. So the first method that you need to do is to simply make sure that you are using an updated version of your Snapchat. Once you are here in your updated version of the Snapchat, then you have to just click on your profile icon at the very top left corner. So yes, once you are here at this interface, you have to just click on the Snapchat plus icon here. So here you can see the amount to purchase the membership of your AI on Snapchat. So you have to just select the one, like if you want to select monthly, you have to just click on the first one, and if you want to subscribe it for your annual package, then you have to just click on the second one. Note one thing, that if you are using the Snapchat Plus for the first time, then you will get the 7 days free trial as well for my AI subscription. So once you subscribe, the next step is simply to sign in to your My AI, and you will be able to use My AI on your Snapchat successfully. So yes, that's how to get My AI on Snapchat, and I hope this video was a big help for you. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Let me guide.